Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and today we're going to be talking about the Ninja Air58 Final Mouse. By the way, guys, just want to give a quick shout out to my boy George, aka TNT, aka Too Many Aliases, for loaning me this mouse and making this video possible. At the end of this video, I'm just gonna put like a quick trailer of stuff that you can find on his channel, so be sure to wait till the end of the video for that. And don't forget to drop him a sub for helping us out. Just want to take a closer look at this mouse, and the first thing that I want to talk about is the design. It's a very interesting design. Pretty much all it is, it looks just like any other mouse except that there's a bunch of holes in it for weight saving. So that's cool. That's kind of the whole point of this mouse, is just to be extremely lightweight. Cutting the holes in the plastic is one of the ways that they save. They even cut holes into the buttons on the mouse as well. Of course, not all the way up to the top where your finger actually rests, but there are holes on the buttons as well. So you can really tell that they're trying to save as much weight as possible. Another thing that I like about the mouse is the little designs on the scroll wheel. Like, they even have like the FinalMouse logo and then like some Japanese writing. It has some significance for Ninja. And then how they have the name of the mouse, and I think that looks like Ninja's signature on the mouse as well. I don't know if that's his real signature or if that's something that they just wrote in cursive and thought it was cool to put on the mouse. But either way, I think it looks cool and it kind of adds to the aesthetic of the mouse. The color is also really cool. Normally I am a blue guy, but this cherry blossom red does look really sick on this mouse. After looking at it for so long, I kind of prefer this one over that lighter blue / teal color. I feel like I would get this just to make my setup look a little bit different. And obviously the red and black make a really nice contrast. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is how good is this mouse? How comfortable is it? How is the performance? So as far as comfort, it's pretty comfortable. It's not the most comfortable, most ergonomic mouse I've ever used, but it seems like they almost wanted this mouse to be ambidextrous, but they didn't put the buttons on the other side. So it kind of feels weird how they have this little cutout on the right side of the mouse, because it feels like it should have been ambidextrous. I kind of wish that they just would have completely rounded out the entire right side of the mouse. But other than that, I do feel like the mouse is pretty comfortable. As far as usability, it's pretty good. There's only 4 DPI, so you got 400, 800, 1600, and 3200 DPI that are selectable from the button directly underneath the scroll wheel. And that kind of makes it hard for me to judge the sensor, because I kind of play on a weird DPI. I play on 1050 specifically DPI. On any other mouse that has like software where I can pick my DPI, but I guess the whole point of this mouse is that you don't really need software. They just have it built in, so it's more of like a tournament ready grab and go type of mouse. If you need to go to like a tournament or a LAN or something, you can just pick it up, don't have to worry about installing software on their computers, hit your DPI switch and be ready to go. Now, as far as sensor performance goes, because I only have a couple of selectable DPIs, I don't play on 400, it's entirely too low, so I just played on 800 to get as close to that 1050 as I could. It worked well enough. I can't honestly say that this sensor is better than the TrueMove 3 Plus on the SteelSeries mouses or the new Logitech Hero sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and say that it's sufficient. Is it fantastic? Is it great? Is it customizable? No, but it is good enough. Another way that they were able to save weight on this mouse is by using a nylon paracord. So pretty much using this really lightweight fabric that they wrapped around the cable that plugs into the USB into your computer to reduce the weight of the cord to make the mouse a little bit more usable. And honestly, you don't really need a mouse bungee for this mouse to feel really good. You have enough lightweight cable so that the mouse doesn't feel like it ever gets stuck on anything. Now, what are my final thoughts on this final mouse? So this mouse is obviously for anyone that is looking for the lightest mouse that you can possibly get. Do I really feel like having the most lightweight mouse is important? No! Because my favorite mouse weighs about twice as much as this mouse. After using it, going back to it, did the weight really bother me? A little bit, but not really. Mostly because of that extra customization that the mouse offers. If I had to put a similar product to this one, the Razer Death Adder is very similar to this mouse. This is like the lightweight version of that mouse. But overall, is the total package worth price that FinalMouse is asking? I would say yes, if you are on the quest for the lightest mouse possible. Look no further than this one. But if you want to customize your mouse a little bit, I would go maybe with a Razer or a Logitech or SteelSeries or whatever, or any other brand that's perfect for you. But if you just want the lightest mouse, this is it. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video today, guys. I'm gonna throw some Fortnite gameplay at the very end of the video, but if you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section, but honestly, believe it or not, I kind of covered everything because there's not really too much about this mouse. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, RGB mouse. It has a sniper button, that's why I kind of like it. It's actually broken right now. Another reason is also because all the noise comes out from the side over here. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been lit.
Come on, kill me, I'm here! Come on! Stupid.
And one for 50. And for 25 again. Oh shit, what the fuck?
He exposed me.
So low.
What in the hell? Carrying me so far.
Oh, no, there's another guy.
360 ooga booga booga!
Hey, what is this?
Oh, I see them. No, I'm staying back. Yeah, they're in the build right next